Hello and welcome everyone. This is Professor Siddharth Surana. I hope you guys are doing good. और मैं तो हमेशा मस्त ही रहता हूँ. This is a very special announcement for all the students who will be appearing for their CA final exams in May 25 or November 25 attempt. We are going to be conducting your CA final direct tax batch from the first week of September till the last week of November at the Dadar branch of Shesh Educare. We usually keep this batch at the Charni branch, but because this is the election year, we have to cover all the amendments that will be announced in the new budget after elections. So this year all the batches are going to be late, because of which we have had requests from students from both Central Line as well as Western Line to move the batch from Charni Road to Dadar. So this year we will be having the batch at the Dadar branch first week of September to last week of November. Your timetable will be Monday to Saturday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Like always, you are going to be given a set of 5 books: theory book, question answer classwork, question answer additional question bank, MCQs, and handwritten book exemption for your revision, and it contains the latest news. Like always, these 5 books will be given to you. Also, the same batch will be available live online on Zoom, and for those students who for one reason or the other, for audit assignments or for any reason, have missed any of the lectures, we are also going to be giving you one set of recorded backup which you can watch on our app. So hurry up, enroll yourself for this batch, CA Final Direct Tax, May 25, November 25, face to face at Dadar branch of Shesh Educare, and also online Zoom as well as recording. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Lots of love. Bye bye.